Hey everyone, Joey right here, and welcome back to the Racing Line, and welcome back to the first episode of our new segment here on the show. This is Ready for the Road in partnership with Autopits. And here on this segment, we're going to share to you the different stuff that will help you or help make your vehicle ready for the road. So let's head to Autopits. On our way to Autopits, I would like to explain the importance of having or doing a periodic maintenance on your vehicle regularly. So periodic, which means regularly. So because if you are very busy and you just head on the road, go to your work on a daily basis, you're using your vehicle on a daily basis, sometimes you don't hear or you don't know what's going on under the hood, what's going on under the chassis and everything. And sometimes there is this notion people are saying that if it's not broken, then why fix it? So when are you going to fix it when it is already broken and you're already stuck on the road? You and your family on board maybe, or your friends, then the delays and everything will just be a mess of a day. So I will recommend that you have to do a regular checkup of your vehicle, which is PMS, periodic maintenance services, and that is what we are doing right now. So that's why we're heading to Autopits. So here we go. Upon arriving at Autopits, I noticed right away the system they carry on when receiving your vehicle, giving you that impression and instant appreciation that this repair shop is aiming for high quality when it comes to customer service. So what is periodic maintenance service? These are standard services and regular checkup that needed to be rendered to our vehicle on a regular basis. Because you never know what is happening all the time on your vehicle and it might get into trouble when you are on the road. First up is change oil. As you can see, the oil inside my engine is really very dirty and old. This needs changed, and of course a new oil filter should also be installed. Next, one of the most important things on a vehicle are the brakes. Needed to be cleaned and adjusted. This is also the best way to determine if your brakes are on the danger level already, and clean it from dust and rust so it's going to work properly. Next is bolt tightening. No wonder sometimes you hear squeaky sounds underneath, which means that some of the bolts underneath needs to be tightened. And this will also assure you that there are no bolts that are loosened, and it might give you bigger problems when you're on the road. Tire pressure checking is also a simple task but very important. Tire pressure influences many important characteristics of vehicle performance, such as driving comfort, directional stability, cornering, and braking grip, plus the general handling behavior of your vehicle. Not to mention, it will preserve the quality of your tire longer, which we know tires are more expensive. Next is air-conditioned cabin filter, checking and cleaning. Now, this one really got me. Look at my old cabin filter. And here is the new one. As you can see, the old cabin filter is as dirty as it is, and it's no longer healthy for you and for the people who is going to ride on your vehicle. So if I didn't go for the PMS, I would never know how bad it was. Now, this is another eye-opener for me. My front tires are disaligned the whole time. So imagine if, again, did not went for this PMS, I would never know my tires are disaligned, and most probably it would cost me more because of the unnecessary wear of my tires, which is a lot more expensive than having this service alone. And aside from it, Having your tires aligned will optimize driving stability, maximizes your tires life, improve your vehicle handling performance. Actually, we'll be diving deeper into these services that were rendered to my vehicle so we can understand furthermore about its importance, and that will be detailed on the next topic of our ride, Ready for the Road. Not to mention, while waiting for your vehicle to be fixed, you could stay at their cozy lounge, having a massage, salon, getting your hairs fixed, free coffee, and a whole lot more that you could do in this very nice lounge. So it really took less than a half a day to do all the stuff on my vehicle. There are three important things that we have accomplished today. The improved acceleration power of my SUV, looking at that dirty oil that came out from the engine and replaced it with a fresh, fully synthetic oil made it all happen. Second is that the brakes are more responsive. No need to exert more effort and the handbrakes are responsive. And the most important that I have accomplished was peace of mind, knowing that my SUV is ready for the road, wheel aligned, tires checked, brakes clean and checked, and the air condition has improved. Looking at that cabin filter, you are breathing on it, so it feels really fresh. So thank you so much to our partner in this segment, Autopit. We will see you again and help your vehicle get ready for the road.